You've heard me say this and I'll say it again. Sitting is the absolute devil.
Because
sitting
are the devil.
A lot of people out there have said sitting is the new smoking, and you know what? I agree with that. So what I want to go over in this video is the hazards of sitting too long, what it does to your spine, what it does to your neck, and how it wrecks everything. So sitting loads the spine by 300%. That's some crazy numbers. And what it does is it really causes a lot of problems. So people don't realize the full hazards of sitting, especially people that have disc injuries or they're having pain, especially in the low back or the neck. Sitting is wrecking you. We spend way too much time sitting in a sedentary posture as society, and we are in an epidemic of back and neck pain. So why is this happening? So we have a spine here. And what happens is there's these ligaments that run up the back of the spine. They go all the way from the tip of your butt all the way up to the base of your skull. And what happens is when you sit, it actually causes these ligaments to stretch in a compressed nature, and they get a constant stretch on them. Now, when they get a constant stretch, they don't get enough blood, they don't get enough oxygen. But the thing is, these areas don't have a lot of pain receptors, so you don't even know anything's going on till later on, where you're starting to get back injuries, you're starting to get pain, you're starting to get sciatica, you're starting to get pain down your leg because you're sitting too much. By the time you get the pain, this has already been going on. So as we said, sitting loads the spine by 300%. So I get it. You have to work, you have to sit at a desk, you have to drive in a car to earn a living. But you know what? You can mitigate some of those symptoms if you just use a chair how the hell it's supposed to be used. So I'm going to show you how to use a chair. This chair that we purchased here, Target, 10 bucks, best chair ever. Got a nice hard bottom and a very steady back support. And there's a thing we're going to teach you called the sit, slide, lean. So anytime you approach a chair, or you get into your car, or you sit at your desk, you should always practice this idea. It's called sit, slide, and lean. I could sit here all day. It's going to support my back. My back is getting a rest. It's not getting beat up. It's not getting loaded by 300%. It's probably getting loaded by about 50%. That 250% that you're going to save is going to make a big difference in keeping you from having bigger problems such as disc injuries, sciatica, and pain down the leg. So sit, slide, lean, save your back, and avoid having to come see someone like me. But if it gets bad enough, we're the ones that will get you fixed.